Hey everyone, this is Charles and
Catherine.
that's right. We are the Roses. So we just wanted to share quickly with you how we invested in our first property recently through Dustin's program, the Ultimate Real Estate Investing System, and through his coaching program. We we got into real estate last year, didn't know what to do, how to get started, and we really wanted to find a program and a coaching that would help us through this process. And we are so glad that we found Dustin to help us through this process. And Dustin was able to help us find our first property, land it with a lot of equity in it, and it was so amazing. Whereas, like, even when we got the inspection report back, um, we found some issues with the roof and was a bit nervous about going back and asking them, but Dustin helped us and gave us the words what to say. Like, we literally just used his exact words, and we were able to knock the price down even more. I think we got another $3,000 off of our purchase price. So Dustin coaching program has been so amazing, so empowering. Um, he teaches us techniques, skills, everything that we need for our property. And I'll let my wife share a few words because this is, I believe, behind every great man's success. There's a woman behind them, and for me, it's my beautiful wife right here.
Yes, so investing in this program was definitely a huge decision for us, but I trusted that whatever my husband was going to put his hand into, he was going to make sure it prospered. And he strives to make his wife proud, and he is surely accomplishing this goal.
Oh man, she just made me feel so good. But yeah, I just that's just been our experience with Dustin and our first property, and we highly recommend Dustin program to others, and we believe in his vision of helping people master passive income and become free to do what matters to them in their life. So we just want to thank Dustin for helping us through the process, and we are on our way to closing another property. So it's amazing. We'll be closing about 5 rental units in 5 months. So thank you again, Dustin, and we wish everyone lots of success. Thank you.